Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab that is sending and scheduling looks in Looker. So simply start the lab and open the Looker incognito window. Now here, enter the details from the lab instructions. Click on Login. Once it is successfully opened, click on this to enable the development mode. Now from here, just click on Explore. Click on the order items. Now from here, click on this product. Here we have to click on this category, and here you'll see count option. Okay, so click on this count also. Now from here, make this arrow down. Okay, click once. Once you see down, descending sort order, update the row limit to 10, and visualization will be column chart. So just do it and simply run it. It will take few seconds. Now do one thing, come over here, and for the second task we have to simply just copy this name, copy it carefully, come over here, save as a look, select developer student, save it, and simply come over here and check the score. One more important thing, if you are not getting score for task number 1, you need to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it will take time to update the score for task number 1. And this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.